YouTubers! Today I'm going to show you how to make an aeroplane that we can fly fast. First things first, you get a paper, a one piece paper, and then you fold it into half. And then if you don't fold it, you will see like this. See? Then second part, open the fold and do the aeroplane shape. And even the other side. There, you got this aeroplane. Then you take this part, whole part over to the middle like this. There, like this. Then fold it into, you see, you get this. So make it at the same time as this. And then you fold it like this. See? And now you get to do this. And then you do this. See this? You must do it as straight as you can. So then you do this. Okay? See, you will get this. This. Then you fold it like this. That's the last part one. And then you fold it again. Okay. Now it's time to test the aeroplane that can fly. See? So let's try and test this. See? It lands over there. Let's try it again. Okay. See? There's a window here. So let's try again. Watch the aeroplane fly. See? It's almost landing over there. So bye YouTubers. See you in my text and subscribe. Thank you.